Well, how's it going today there, YouTube? Well, I got the same excuse as I always do for not being any video. Just been a busy guy like usual, but I've got some stuff coming up. I've got some new goodies for my, for the 2010 truck. I put the LED fog lights, and now you've got a little light bar in the bumper there, and I'll have some review videos and an install video coming up. But surprisingly, there's nothing for the 05 lately, so it's been kind of sitting here getting snowed on. But you know, today's video's got nothing to do with trucks or tool reviews or anything else but farm toys. So I got some viewer mail inside, so let's go inside and open her up. Before I get into that package, as always, I wanted to say this is my greatest farm toy collection on YouTube shelf that I started out of fan mail that you guys have all sent in. Got quite a collection started here, and as always, a big thanks for you guys. And of course, if you want to send something in, the PO box address in the description box down below, then you'll get yourself a big shout out here on my YouTube channel. I know I haven't added a whole lot to the collection this year, but we've got some stuff coming, some projects coming up, and I've got some stuff on the way now, so you guys just have to hang tight and you'll see what I've got going on this winter. But as most of you guys know, I do the kind of custom stuff in the wintertime here. So I'm going to go change my camera battery pack and we'll open that box up. This parcel came to us from Rick Benkert, and hopefully you guys can see me. I'm trying out a different kind of shot here. Rick has, this is the second, I guess, kind of addition Rick has made to our greatest farm toy collection on YouTube, and as Rick has here, hope I get the shot alright. World famous farm toy collection. That sounds pretty good, doesn't it? And of course, here's the PO box address there if you guys can see it, hopefully. Anyway, let's open her up and we'll see what we got here. I got the our unboxing knife here. Obviously, that's the case trapper, the knife we use to do all of our unboxings here on YouTube. We'll see what we got inside. Now, I know I also mentioned about this time last year I wanted to do a giveaway for everybody that sent something into our collection here for our greatest farm toy collection on YouTube. Fans that sent stuff in, I wanted to do a special giveaway exclusively for you guys, but I wanted to do it last year, but I didn't think we had quite enough people, so I wanted to maybe do it this year. So let me know what you guys think. We got a note here. Let me put this down. Curtis, greetings from Michigan. It's been a long time from doing an unboxing. This is a Christmas gift for you. In an earlier video you mentioned you might start a business, so this is for your business. There is something in the trailer you need too, so let's get this unboxing started. Merry Christmas. Rick Benkert. That's a nice little note. Knife safety, boys. Speaking of that knife safety, we'll put that there. Let's see what we have inside. Check that out. See here, you remember you guys, I was thinking about becoming a dealer for Steiner tractor parts. Check that out. Can you guys see that alright? Curse's Farm Parts and Toys. There you go. I was thinking about becoming a Steiner tractor parts dealer. Now there's something in the trailer. There, we got a little John Deere riding mower there. That's awesome. Thanks, Rick. That's a pretty cool idea. I like that. Let's put that little guy there for now. We'll see what else is in the box. Awesome. We got a little Chevy Silverado here. Z71. This is the 2014 style. That's friggin' decent. Well, Rick, thanks so much. That's quite the setup you sent in there. I really do appreciate that. Okay, so I added the little truck and trailer to our greatest farm toy collection on YouTube shelf here. That's almost like just a little mini Big Dirty with an enclosed trailer. That's friggin' awesome. That's creative. I like that. That little Farm LA there in the back, that's one that Rick sent us as well. Along with the Steiger, the little John Deere in the back, as well as that hat. And then I think the 4440 as well. So, big shout out to Rick and a big thank you. As I stated earlier, if anyone would like to send something to the Greatest Farm Toy Collection on YouTube, get yourself a big shout out. And as well as anytime I make a video on the Great Toy Tractor Hoard Room here, you can be a little part of our videos. So anyway, I'd like to thank you guys all for watching. If you like what you see, please comment, rate, and subscribe.